What is Xtra-PC? Xtra-PC is a small USB device that is marketed as a solution to speed up and revive older computers. It is essentially a bootable Linux operating system that can be plugged into a computer's USB port to bypass the existing operating system and run a lightweight version of Linux instead. The idea behind Xtra-PC is to provide a simple and affordable solution for people who have older computers that are slow or no longer supported by the original operating system. How does Xtra-PC work? Xtra-PC works by providing an alternative operating system that runs directly from the USB device. When you insert the Xtra-PC USB into your computer and restart it, the computer's BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, is configured to boot from the USB device instead of the internal hard drive. Once the computer boots from the Xtra-PC USB, it loads a lightweight Linux-based operating system. This operating system is designed to be fast and efficient, utilizing minimal system resources. It provides a desktop interface and basic applications such as a web browser, file manager, media player, and Office suite. Features and benefits of Xtra-PC: improved performance. Xtra-PC is designed to revive older computers and improve their performance. Easy to use. Xtra-PC is designed to be user-friendly, even for those with limited technical knowledge. Data privacy. Xtra-PC does not access or modify the files on your computer's internal hard drive. Your personal data and files remain secure and untouched. Compatibility. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac systems, allowing users to breathe new life into their old machines regardless of the original operating system. Cost-effective solution. Instead of investing in expensive hardware upgrades or purchasing a new computer, Xtra-PC offers a cost-effective alternative. Portable and versatile. Xtra-PC is a portable USB device that can be easily carried around. You can use it on multiple computers, making it a versatile solution for individuals who need a temporary or portable operating system. Access to essential applications. Xtra-PC comes preloaded with essential applications such as a web browser, file manager, media player, and Office suite. How to use Xtra-PC? Obtain an Xtra-PC USB device. Purchase an Xtra-PC USB device from an authorized retailer or the official website. Insert the Xtra-PC USB. Insert the Xtra-PC USB device into an available USB port on your computer. Restart your computer. Once the Xtra-PC USB device is inserted, restart your computer. During the startup process, you may need to access the BIOS settings to ensure that your computer is set to boot from the USB device. Boot from Xtra-PC. Once you are in the BIOS settings, navigate to the Boot or Startup section and set the boot priority to prioritize booting from the USB device. Save the changes and exit the BIOS settings. Xtra-PC Startup. Your computer will now boot from the Xtra-PC USB device. You will see a loading screen and eventually be presented with the Xtra-PC desktop interface. Explore and use Xtra-PC. Once Xtra-PC has loaded, you can start using it like any other operating system. You will have access to a desktop interface, applications, and system settings. Use the provided applications to browse the internet, manage files, play media, and perform basic tasks. Safely remove Xtra-PC. When you're done using Xtra-PC, make sure to properly shut down the system and remove the Xtra-PC USB device from the USB port. Xtra-PC Review. Pros and cons. Pros: performance improvement, cost-effective solution, easy to use, data privacy, portable and versatile. Cons: limited hardware compatibility, limited software support, dependency on USB device. Xtra-PC price and where to buy. Xtra-PC is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.